originally presented this project to create the deep store drilling site in virtual reality to relieve some of the concerns people might have around drilling sites, such as fracking and rock collision. And we wanted to create a complete scale of the drilling site to give some information to people who might have some of these concerns. The two teams, the one working on the above ground drill site and the one working on the geological layers underneath the ground, worked hand in hand to create a seamless scene. For the underground portion of the project, we wanted to focus on the geological layers and how to view them. So we wanted to view the layers from every angle and orientation in virtual reality. So we had to create a method to first be able to view the geological layers. Second, find a way to view them in every section for a detailed view.
Our team had to create the drilling site based on blueprints. The most important aspect was to imitate facilities by creating equivalent 3D models. We created some models ourselves with Blender and used generic models for more complex machinery. Finally, we animated the drill to make the scene seem more alive. We think our project provided some key insight into the exploration of a virtual drill site, and we hope we inspired others to use virtuality. Becoming such a widespread technology, it will be exciting to see what it can be used for in the future. Now, we hope you can sit back, relax, and enjoy our creation.